Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je m'appelle Séverine et je suis votre professeur de français. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. My name is Séverine and I am your French coach. Today we are going to have a podcast about French brands, how to pronounce the names of the major French brands. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre le nom des marques françaises. Today, we are going to learn the names of major French brands. Merci encore and thank you again for listening. Please share this podcast with your friends and go speak French avec moi for the transcript. Are you ready? I'm about to speak French right after this short ad. D'abord, comment dire le mot brand in French? First, how to say the word brand in French. The word is marque, almost like the first name. But remember, A is high pitch in French and always makes the sound A. Your mouth is wide open. La marque ou une marque. Une marque de luxe is a luxury brand. Une marque de luxe. Chanel. Chanel. Keep it short. Not Chanel and sh, not ch. Chanel. Chanel. Hermès. Hermès. Not Hermes. And again, keep it short and don't pronounce the H. The E sound at the end, you should open your mouth. Hermès. Cartier. Cartier. C plus A makes the sound K. K. And you don't voice any R sound at the end, even if you see one. Cartier. Cartier. Guerlain. G and U makes the sound G as in garage. And again, we have the semi-vowel un. Guerlain. Guerlain. Dior is one syllable. Do not say dire because in French, the letter I en français always make the sound I and never makes the sound I or Y. Dior. Keep it short. Dior. With the stress on the first D. Dior. Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. This one is hard because first, you don't pronounce the S at the end of Louis. It's like L and oui. Louis. Louis. It's a round sound. Louis. Let's try. Louis. Louis. Vuitton. The oui sound is sharper than we. The U and I makes the sound oui. For that, try to purse your lips together, almost like whistling. Vuitton. Vuitton. And don't voice the N at the end. Louis Vuitton. Great. Peut-être que vous voulez acheter du champagne. Maybe you want to buy some champagne. Veuve Clicquot. Veuve Clicquot. Not Clicquot and not Veuve. Veuve Clicquot. Veuve means a widow. And you use the same E sound than in butter. Veuve. Veuve. Clicquot. You don't pronounce the T at the end. Co. Clicquot. Veuve Clicquot. Perrier, jouette. Perrier, jouette. Don't pronounce the R at the end of Perrier. 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 I know the R is difficult. For that, you can practice. You need to gargle every day doing the R sound. And then, jouette. Same sound than in treasure. It's not J, it's jouette. And yes, you have to voice the T at the end. Very often, proper French nouns don't follow the rules of not saying the consonant for common nouns. Perrier, jouette. Perrier, jouette. And then, mouette et chandon. Mouette et chandon. Mouette et chandon. You have to voice the T and remember, en, on. Chandon. En, your mouth is open. On, your lips are pursed. Chandon. Mouette et chandon. And now we have Dom Pérignon. Dom Pérignon. Don't voice the M and remember, GN makes the sound ñ like in onion. Dom Pérignon. Et pour le cognac, Rémy Martin. Rémy Martin. The letter Y in French makes the sound I in French. Rémy Martin. High pitch A and the semi-vowel un. Peut-être un peu d'eau. Maybe some water now. Peut-être un peu d'eau. Let's try. Évian, not Evian. Évian with a A sound. It's the name of a city. It's also the name of a bottled water. Évian. And I already said Perrier for the sparkling water. Perrier. Évian. Perrier. Then for sparkling water, you also have Badois. Badois. O plus I makes the sound wa, and you don't pronounce the T. Badois. Very often, when French order, they just name the brand. Une Badois. Un Perrier. Une Évian. And then, we have the iconic brand Le Creuset. Le Creuset. If you want to buy any cookware. Le Creuset. Not Le Creuset or Le Creuset or, no. Le Creuset. S between two vowels makes the sound Z, and the cluster EU makes the sound like in butter, and you don't pronounce the T. Le Creuset. Le Creuset. And if you buy cookware, maybe you'll buy knives. Alors, les couteaux de la Guiole ou les couteaux de l'Aïole? Couteaux are knives, and it's a well-known city, and some people would say la Guiole, other people would say l'Aïole. The spelling is with G-U, la Guiole, but l'Aïole is also used as a local pronunciation. Now the matter hasn't been settled yet. So you can say la Guiole or l'Aïole. Je vais répéter tous les noms. I am going to repeat all the nouns. Chanel. Hermès. Cartier. Guerlain. Dior. Louis Vuitton. Veuve Clicquot. Perrier Jouette. Mouette et Chandon. Dom Pérignon. Rémy Martin. Évian. Évian, Périer, Badois, Le Creuset, La Guiole ou l'Aïole. Voilà, c'est la fin de cet épisode. Here you go, it's the end of this episode. Thank you again for listening and subscribing to my podcast. And of course, if you find my podcast helpful, feel free to leave your ratings and comments. Merci, à bientôt, au revoir.